Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Mega Look once more. This is the packaging of the day, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so once I open the box, I see a drawstring bag which is branded. Always love getting drawstring bags. I always tell you guys this because it's great for storing these wigs, and you guys know I have so many. So this is the wig that we have today, and let me tell you, baby, we're working with 36 inches. You can see the excitement. Let's get into the goodies I got. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a pair of lashes. Okay, I also got a edge brush and comb, a branded Mega Look elastic headband, perfect for melting your lace. I got some lace tapes and this gorgeous little clip you can use when styling the wig. So for the fun part, this is the wig. This is a super deal, they say. This is Mega Look's 36-inch 13x4 transparent HD lace front pre-plucked natural hairline wig. I know it's a long title, but yeah. Oh my god, look at that. I love it. So this is the construction on the inside. It has a total of 3 combs. Inside, well, it has a total of 2 combs, one in the back, one in the mid portion there of the cap, and the lace, let me tell you, this is perfectly plucked. It's a 1B color, and I feel like this wig is really nice and full. Okay, it's 250% in density, which is so necessary when working with a length this long. You know, it's like a no-brainer. You could never possibly get anything thinner than 250 for the density for a 36 inch. For 30 inches you could do 200, 32 you could do 200, but 36, yes, 250 is perfect. So it's a medium cap, by the way. It came with this nice curved parting, which I decided to keep, even though I went into showing you guys all the space you have when working with this lace. But I was so excited. Let's get into how it look. Okay, so I'm 5'1", guys, so definitely it's gonna look a little bit longer on me than somebody that's taller. It's giving more like closer to 40 inches, but it's 36. Okay, let's get into the installation. Today I wanted to do a glueless installation, so I only focused on using spray. So I was just kind of ensuring that the hairline portion, you know, was matching with my natural hairline, and the ear portion, as usual, was too long, so I had to cut away the excess. All right, took my time to do that. You could do this before putting it on, like measure everything. I've been doing this for such a long time. I feel like I could eyeball it, and you know, everything turns out pretty decent. So yeah, look at that. That looks so good. And a transparent lace is always a go. Don't get it twisted. A good transparent lace, definitely a 10 out of 10. I always will recommend. Okay, but yeah, so after ensuring that everything was fitting properly, I got my spray, and I just gradually kept on adding that right along the hairline. I used my comb to kind of like press it into the very front there, and I didn't want to do any edges, any swoops. I just wanted a nice clean pull back natural look, so that's what I opted for. So that's why you see me kind of just combing everything towards the back, because that's what we wanted, you know. Yeah, and I know a lot of you guys really love that too, because I mean, a lot of the girlies just, I guess they, you know, less is more, and everybody kind of just want to have the most minimal natural look these days. And I get it, you know, I'm still gonna wear my swoops, I'm still gonna wear my baby hair when my mind tells me to, but yeah, I indulge in a little bit more of the pull back look these days, you know. But yeah, so this is how we're looking. Listen, as I sprayed this along the hairline, it was drying down so fast, so I love that. As you can see, it wasn't slipping. So yeah, I absolutely love the spray. This is my Kiss lace spray, the one that you guys always see me use. It is definitely a 10 out of 10. I'm actually running out. I need to get another one. But yeah, so once I was finished with spraying this right along my hairline, I got my Mega Look branded elastic band, and that's kind of what I used to further melt the hairline down. And I used this quite a lot in today's application. It was so necessary. Yeah, so I give that like 10 minutes to sit, kind of let that cook. And that's the first step of melting the lace. That looks so good. So you know, the next step is removing the excess lace. I took my time to do that. So I was done with removing the lace. I added just a tiny bit of spray back to the very edge where it looks casty, and I went back in with the elastic band again to further melt that. And then I went on top of the wig with my wax stick and my hot comb to start getting it really nice and flat. You know, you never see me wearing a wig if I don't have my hot comb to get it nice and flat, because that really helps to make everything look super realistic. Alright, and once I'm done with that, then I go ahead, take my time, remove that elastic band once again. So this is the part where after that second meltdown, I pretty much go in with some powder. Well, firstly, I clean away any residue that's left behind, like on my skin, and then I go in with my powder, my face powder, to further like help camouflage any casts that might be there. And once I'm done with that, I press that in once again with my elastic headband. So the elastic headband is such a vital part in, you know, when you're applying your wigs, whether with spray or glue. Super important. Look at that graduation, so immaculate. So I get back my elastic band right here, and I just go back in with that, and then pretty much I went and I got glammed. All right, and voila, this is it. And by the way, yes, I do have a makeup tutorial for this look, so go ahead, check it out. It's currently live on my channel, so yeah, check that out. But pretty much for this portion, I'm just running straight throughout the wig with my flat iron. I'm going through that thoroughly. I'm taking my time. This is a bit time consuming because what? It's 36 inches and we want that hair to look like butter, okay? So this is it. This is the final look. Super full, luscious wig. Yeah, mega look. You did it again. One thing I'm gonna tell you, you're looking for a gorgeous lengthy wig, mega look got you, and this did not shed a lot. All right, my birthday wig that I wore last year was from Mega Look, and everyone was asking me, where you got your wig from? Your hair looks so nice. It was so immaculate. Mega Look. Yeah, it's definitely a mega look because people gonna look at this, okay? But yeah, that's it for today's wig look though. If you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, direct link to it is in my description box. Fall is coming. This type of length will be very comforting. Yeah, so go ahead, grab you your wig right now so you be ready for the fall and winter months, because yeah. But I love this beauty, man. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section. That is it for today. If there are any deals, any discount, that will be listed. But yeah, that's it. That's all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.